Friends, a very good evening. Today I have to talk about effective way of communication skill. Friends, as we know that communication skill is very important at the workplace or at home or anywhere. Therefore, we should learn effective way of communication. Firstly, what is communication? Communication is taken from Latin word communis. That meaning is share and common. In the process of communication, we share our exchange, view, idea, message through the other person. What are 7 ways of effective communication skill? First way is where we have to speak. If we have to speak with farmer, we should use such language as farmer can understand. If we have to communicate with workmen, we should use this type of word which can be understood by the workmen. Therefore, in the communication process, context and surroundings, environment is very important. The second way of effective communication is active listening. As we know that without listening, communication cannot be successful. Therefore, we should give other party opportunity to speak. Listen to the other party story. Listen to them first. Focus on each and every word without interrupting. Ask question and paraphrase. We should paraphrase the other party wording so that other party can also understand. We are understanding his communication or not. The role of listening is very important. Therefore, we should concentrate on active listening. Without inculcating the habit of active listening, communication process cannot be effectively completed. Third way of effective communication skill is empathy. We should validate other thought and feeling. We should smile in the process of communication with positive attitude. We should respond, not react. We should take time to respond, not react simultaneously. We should take charge of our emotion. The fourth way of effective communication skill is we should present ourselves at the time of communication. We should put away our device. We should not use mobile or laptop when we communicate with the other person. We should never talk about other people simultaneously. We should minimize distraction. As we know that multitasking is not a good thing of completing any task. In the process of communication, we should inculcate the habit of monotask, not multitask. We should communicate with the audience only, not do other work simultaneously. Body language plays also a very important role in the communication. Therefore, we should properly maintain our gesture and posture. We should focus on our paralanguage, tone. We should make eye contact with our audience, stand in a winner position so that our self-confidence may be shown to the audience. We should also respect and appreciate other people. If we appreciate other people will like to speak more. Therefore, in the process of communication, we should always focus on respect and appreciate to the other party. Don't take anything personally. We should focus on the issue, not the people. We have discussed 7 effective way of communication skill, and I hope if we using these tactics, we can engage in effective communication. Thank you for your listening. Many thanks.